All right, guys. I think you remember I bought this thing for a little of nothing. I finally found a gas tank. Found some new parts. I figured out why it wasn't running. It was the fuel feed tube was broken, and someone had JB welded it back together. And it was still leaking, so I'm guessing that was why it was parked up, right? Bought a new one of these. They're a little over $100. I was just trying to because they're $100. You can get carbs online for like $300. I was like, well, shoot. I mean, how long is it going to take me to split these apart, right? I'm glad I bought it. I was able to find one on eBay used for $80, and it's super easy to replace. It's all you do is you pull off the starter plunger link, which is this 4 bolts, right? And then that sits right here, right? And it was this one that was broken. So all you have to do is pop this guy off, and it just twists the nut off on this side, right? And then you pop these 2 guys off, which are super easy, and they have locators, so when you put them back on, they'll go right in the right spot. And then all you do is just separate it, right? So all I did was just separate this. The only thing you gotta watch out for is there's a spring down in here that's gonna come out. So when you put it back together, you gotta put a screw in there and just pry up on the spring a little bit. And then put it back together, put those 2 bolts on, or those 2 nuts back on, and you're done. I mean, it is literally a 15-minute job. I was thinking it's probably going to be an hour of frustration. So, yeah, pretty easy. All right.